Hey everyone, it's your boy Archer, and in today's video tutorial we're going to talk about how to make more money from Binance. Hey guys, once again welcome to my video tutorial. Now, today's video tutorial is a really special video tutorial. It took me some time to come up with this video tutorial, and the reason why I had to publish this publicly is because I see a lot of value behind this content, and I really want you guys to put your hands on this product and really make more money through this feature. Now, the feature I'm going to talk about today on the Binance platform, or let me say the product I'm going to talk about today, is Binance Pool. Now, for this video tutorial, I would like you to navigate to the main page, and under the main page go to Finance. Under Finance, click on Binance Earn. Once you're in the Binance Earn, you're going to see various products or features beneath this product category, and you have the savings, lock staking, launch pool, BNB vote, as well as ETH 2.0 staking. Now, I've covered the video tutorial on savings, lock staking, and today's video tutorial is about launch pool. So you click on launch pool. Under the launch pool landing page, you're going to have a user interface that looks exactly like this. Now, what is launch pool? Binance Launch Pool lets you use your tokens to farm, and when I say farm, I mean earn new tokens for free. And how does this work? So basically, when Binance is about to enlist a new token into the Binance platform, I would give a more expatiated explanation on this. However, when they are planning to enlist a new token into the Binance trading platform, they would put this product on the launch pool. Example of the product is just as listed here, ATA. What is ATA? ATA is a decentralized service protocol that provides a privacy middleware layer for DApps. You don't know the meaning of DApps, it means decentralized applications. Basically, you get to accumulate a brand new coin after a guaranteed listing on Binance.com. So what's next? You've got your tokens, you're ready to farm, but how do I get started? Once you watch this video tutorial, it will put you on a straight path to earn free money directly from Binance. So, another disclaimer is Binance doesn't always have launch pool products. They only launch a new product or a new token when they are ready to enlist the token. For example, now they're planning to enlist ATA onto the Binance platform. Now here you can see that you can stake B2B pool, or you can stake Polkadot, or you can stake BUSD. As you can see, I'm staking BNB and Polkadot. If I click on BNB, you can see that I have staked 1.227 BNB. For you to stake, you simply click on stake. The amount of tokens you would like to stake, let's say 100 or 200, or if you want to stake everything, you simply click on max. Once you click on stake, you would have this appearing, and above here it would show the details of the pool. Currently, ATA has a total of 28 million tokens in this pool, with a total reward of 560,000 ATA to be claimed from this pool, and the total BNB staked for this project so far is 10.4 million BNBs. The farming period is 30 days. On my top right corner here, you can see that we still have 24 days to farm this product. Currently, I am farming BNB with 1.22 BNBs, and I have already claimed some rewards. You can see here your rewards. My rewards on claim right now is 0.0352. However, you can always click on claim to always update your spot account. If you click on claim history, you would see all the coins you have claimed, or all the tokens you have claimed so far with ATA. Also, you can see that my total rewards received so far is 1.1 ATA, approximately 1.15. Now remember guys, this is for free, right? You have your Binance token, and you're simply claiming free tokens just by staking on this Binance Pool product. If I go back to my Polkadot as well, you can see I have currently staked 9.96 Polkadots and I have claimed 0.14 ATA for free. I still have some unclaimed rewards. I'm going to go ahead and claim them right away. So if you claim, it will update on your spot account, but you can see that you've claimed a total of 0.17 ATA. Now yes, it is amazing that we're making these coins for free. However, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to multiply your free tokens for even more money. The next thing I want you to do is go to trade options, and under the trade option, click on advanced option. Once you're in the advanced trading platform, this is your spot trading platform. If you do not know how to use this platform, there is a link in the description below. Please click the link and there is a video tutorial that will explain just that. So once you're here, you hover to your top left corner and you click on ATA USDT. Once you click, it would populate the chart of ATA USDT. Now I want to explain something really peculiar to this chart. If you notice, this chart just has one bar on the daily time frame. And why is that? As of the 7th of June, ATA was just enlisted into the Binance trading platform. And look at how beautiful this is, guys. Once this was enlisted at 7 a.m. today, the price of one token was only 0.04139. And in the span of just 5 minutes, price spiked up to $4.5. Now, how do we make money from this? Imagine you farmed, imagine through your Binance Pool product feature, you farmed say 10 or 20 ATA coins for free, right? Each coin was at $0.04 only. And then the market spiked up to 4.5. So what could we have done here? We're not buying. Reason why it spiked up was because people were buying a lot of these coins. There was a lot of buying pressure, and hence it caused price to spike all the way up to 4.5 and drop to where it currently is at 1.67. So how do we make money here? We simply sit on our hands and wait for price to simply move to the upside, right? Now let's assume we were on our screen and ATA was at 2.5. All you have to do is simply come to sell, click on the number of ATA you have in your wallet, say 10, say 20, say 30, and simply sell. Now what did this mean? It means you simply farmed some free tokens that were worth 0.04, and now these tokens have appreciated immediately. They were unlisted onto the Binance trading platform, and you're selling to make more money. So this is at 0.04. What this means is that when it was at 4.5, we 100x our money, guys. So assuming you had 20 coins, as of when we sold here, those coins would be worth $60 at $3, almost $50 at 2.5. If you cut it at $4, that means you're making $80 out of free coins, right? So that's the end of the tutorial for today, guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop a comment in the link below, and I would respond as soon as I see your inquiries. Now once again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also access my Telegram channel in the description below. It's your boy Archer. Have a great day.